Well, what's up, guys? Thank you for clicking on the video. So we are just going to go through the C6 KnightDriveTV MaxDin unit upgrade for the summer of 2024. So for those of you who have been following along or own this unit, basically you knew this update was coming because we had brought the engineers back. We did a lot of testing on two different cars, as you can see here. We went through a lot of stages of basically analyzing and trying to just do small tweaks, things that were discovered over the period of time of ownership from several hundred of you guys out there. If you're not familiar with the MaxDin unit, we developed it here in Las Vegas, obviously with the help of a partner company. This was designed specifically for the C6. It was meant to replace the radio module, the HVAC module, the ashtray, the cigarette lighter, and basically that created an open space where we then created this unit, which works entirely with the systems of the C6 so that you have full HVAC functionality, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless. It's got 128 gigabyte hard drive. It's got 8 gigabytes of RAM, an 8-core processor that's a very powerful unit that can handle a lot of processes. We focused on boot times, on just having sustainability in obviously your ability as a user to add applications. That being said, we have committed to ongoing product development, and that's something I always wanted to do to make sure that everybody has the best experience possible. So in this video, I'm going to outline how to execute this update. This is July 2024. So you're going to follow this procedure. Basically, you're going to go, I have a link in the description where you can go to download this specific CAN update. You will put it onto a USB drive, basically just an empty drive that is formatted to FAT32 format, and you will put this file on that USB drive. And then from there, I'm going to show you here in the video what you need to do to properly execute the update, and you'll be up and running. So first and foremost, I'm going to go to the settings menu, system, and I'm going to hit software version. You're going to see this CAN version. Now, most of you guys are going to have an older version than this because, like I said, we were testing on this, but you're going to be looking for a change here in the CAN line to confirm. And so if any of you have problems, that's the first thing I'm going to be asking you is send me a picture of this and show me that you have a true CAN update. So everyone, when you install this unit, you come with USB connectors. One goes to the center console. I advise everyone run it along here into the center console. The other one I would advise keeping accessible in the glove box. So it is split in that manner. These are necessary for you to do updates via the USB. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to plug this into the USB with our file. So that is connected. Go to settings. Go to upgrade. We're going to make sure that plug box is selected. It should be selected by default. And we're going to hit simple upgrade. If you have the file correctly on your USB, you're going to see this progress bar. Go ahead and let it run through that process. You are then going to see the unit reboot itself. Once the software is installed, it's rebooting throughout the car here. So like I said, the way that you're going to be able to confirm that, and we may see it here, is with the software version. Like I said, we were doing testing, but you should see a change in this CAN line. So as an overview for what we've done in this update, first and foremost, we added steering wheel controls on the left-hand side. We always had the volume and channel controls programmed, which are on the right-hand side of most C6 Corvette steering wheels. On the left, though, there were cars that had phone call answer and phone call hang up. And so we have added that functionality. So that is now working. Also, we have basically what is in brief, it's called RAP. It's like a reserve accessory power or remain accessory power, RAP. And what that is when you turn your car off, your radio stays active for, I believe it's about 10 minutes until the body control module detects that you've opened a door, then it shuts off. We did add that as well. Third, we did a lot of HVAC vent positioning adjustments. And so we did have some users that were in Florida and in southern states where it's humid. They were leaking some cold air to the windshield. And so we made some adjustments, obviously, so that that is not the case. And lastly, we went through and tweaked the Bose system response and frequency response and different things that we did electronically to try and enhance that Bose system. This is a plug-and-play unit, but we have worked to make it compatible out of the box. So guys, as always, I appreciate your support, and obviously I totally appreciate you buying the unit and taking a chance on Night Drive TV. So it is just basically me in Night Drive TV. I have a lot of help though, and we have Kelsey and Lace who obviously work here and ship these units. We bench test and obviously make sure that you get your shipment on time. But this is a very small business located in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I totally appreciate your support. And I just hope to have that continued support in the future. And I thank you for watching this video. Have a good one.